Hello everyone. So this is the Soto Amicus Stealth, which essentially has the piezo electric igniter. So it comes in this pretty nice little package, and with this case, which is pretty hefty, and obviously all the necessary instructions, and I already took the liberty of taking off the compliance tag. So there's the compliance, and it definitely complies. And here we have the stove itself, and it's a beautifully engineered piece of kit. As I said, it has the stealth igniter, which is the little red button there, and these pot supports are beautifully engineered. And I'll just open those up so you can see how they work. They actually just catch into those little hooks there, and then when you put a bit of weight on them, they lock nice and tight. There's the gas control, or burner control. Stainless, a beautiful piece of kit. So you may have been tempted by some of the cheap Chinese things on the market, but I can guarantee you this is Japanese, high quality engineering, very nice piece of equipment. So as I say, it's got the you probably can't see the spark because there's too much light, but I might crank it up this evening when it gets dark and edit that in, so you can have a look at it doing its thing. And I did compare this, as I say. The MSR Pocket Rocket was probably the closest comparator, but this actually has a few advantages. It has the rim around the burner there. I don't know if you can see that. This section just at the edge of the burner here, which gives it a little bit of improved performance in the wind. There's some specs on the box. It's 75 grams or 2.9 ounces. And it's got a 1.5 hour burn time with a 250 gram or 8 ounce canister. And as you can see, that engineering is just really nice, and I'll just fold it away, show you how it packs up. Folds down quite nicely. Probably put that away first. Fits nicely into this little bag, although I'll probably use something a little more lightweight, but that's certainly going to give it plenty of protection. And there it is, Soto Amicus Stealth. You've seen my other videos, the video on the Doug Ritter RSK Mark V survival knife, and any of this equipment. I will be showing you how I've actually put that together in my own setups. So you'll see that knife in my Altoids tin and this stove in my cook set setup, and I look forward to showing you those in later videos. And thanks for watching, and like and subscribe if you do.